Dhaba style Methi Dill chicken. Absolutely delicious recipe and a must try recipe. I have used here cream only for garnish. There is no cream in this recipe. Hello friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. तो फ्रेंड्स आज हम बनाने वाले हैं बड़ी धमाकेदार रेसिपी और मैं इस लोखंड के वोक में बनाने वाली हूँ। तो चलो हम जल्द से जल्द शुरू करते हैं रेसिपी हमारी। ओके, तो पहले मैं ये पूरा 1/4 कप ऑयल मैं डाल देती हूँ ये पैन में। हाँ, मुझे पूरा चाहिए। एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड टू दिस 1 कप 2 कप में थोड़ा कम है तो मैं इसे डाल रही हूँ काट के। जरा पतला पतला ही काटना है। फ्राई करेंगे अच्छा। तो ये फ्राई हो रहा है। जब तक ये फ्राई होता है मैं आपको बताती हूँ मैंने चिकन के साथ क्या किया है। तो दिस इज माय चिकन। तो चिकन में मैंने नमक, अदरक, लहसुन डाल के मैंने उसे 2 सीटी दे दी है। अगर आप गोश्त में बनाना चाहते हैं तो उसी तरह से गोश्त को भी सीटी दे दीजिए। फिलहाल तो मैंने 1/4 कप ऑयल लिया। इफ आई नीड मोर ऑयल आई टेक मोर ऑयल। एडिंग 2 टेबलस्पून मोर। ये मेरा पैन ऐसे ही बैठता है गैस पे, तो डोंट वरी, आप कोई भी पैन ले सकते हैं। मतलब यही है कि भाई अनियंस को फ्राई करना है, दैट वी नीड टू फ्राई द अनियंस। मेरे चैनल पे मैं रेसिपीज इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों में देती हूँ क्योंकि दोनों देखने वाले हैं। कुछ तमिल देखने वाले हैं जिनको हिंदी नहीं आती है, उनको खाली इंग्लिश आती है। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड, आई मीन once the onion have fried well, अभी मैं इसे अलग उठा के रख रही हूँ। So make a note of it, 1/2 teaspoon शाह जीरा। This is around 1 teaspoon। 2 इलायची। I'm keeping it aside। एक बड़ी इलायची। That's it। और कुछ नहीं डालना है। जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट 2 tablespoon, keep it aside। We will leave this also। Don't have to burn the onions। बिरयानी के लिए कैसे हम अनियंस को तलते हैं वैसे उतना ही तलना है इसे। ये चिकन है 1/2 kg। ओके, इट्स 1/2 kg चिकन। तो मैं आपको 1/2 kg के हिसाब से मसाला बता रही हूँ। ओके, फ्राई द अनियंस वेल। वी हैव हियर द चिकन स्टॉक। We are going to use this stock to fry the masala. Don't throw this water. Once your chicken is boiled, don't throw the water. We need it. Now we're going to concentrate on our onions. We need to fry our onions little more than pink. We don't have to burn the onions. The moment it is little more than pink, okay, we will add our other masalas like the whole garam masala, okay, that we are going to add, because as we keep on frying the onions are going to change the color. So now we are going to add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Again we are going to fry this very well, okay, and we are going to add the little bit of that stock so that our onions don't further burn on the pan. So we need to fry this masala very well. Okay, don't let it burn. We'll add the water, the stock I mean. So again we are going to fry this. Because if we don't add the water, this will burn. Your masala should not burn. That is the whole purpose of adding that water. I'm frying this masala, the ginger, garlic and the onion. Now we will add our dry masalas. 3 teaspoon red chilli powder, 3 teaspoon coriander powder. We have added. Again we are going to fry this and add some more of the stock. Again we have to fry very well. Next we are going to add around 1 teaspoon zira powder, cumin powder, and this will follow with 1 teaspoon garam masala, some turmeric powder. Now we are good to go. Now we need to fry this masala again. Bhunte raho, keep on bhunifying it. Because the masala is still raw. See, again we added water. So when you're making this at your house, you keep on adding the stock as and when you require. The whole purpose is not to allow the masala to burn. Just see how beautiful it is looking. Yum. Now we have added around, I think, half teaspoon salt. I will give the complete recipe in my description box. It's a foolproof recipe. You can just follow it blindly. So look at the masala, how it has come together. Fantastic. Now we are going to add in this 3 tomatoes. Peel the skin of the tomato and then grind it into a paste. I have peeled the skin of the tomato and then I've grinded that into a paste that you add it to this masala. Now again you're going to fry this masala very nicely. The whole masala will look even in just few minutes. Look at that. Wow. It's so yum. You can just eat it like this only. Now we'll cover with a lid and we'll give a dum of 5 minutes. Let's see what happens to the masala after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how your masala should look. It's all ready. Okay. Again, we'll saute for 2 to 3 minutes before we, go and add anything else to it. We have to saute this pretty well. Let's see what is going to go into it. So we have here the greens. This is 2 cup dill and 2 cup methi or fenugreek. Dill is also known as shepu. So what we are going to do is, we need to wash this in 4 to 5 times. Let it dry and then chop it fine. Ensure that you got 2 cups dill and 2 cup methi. Now see, our masala is ready. We have added the chicken to this. Now the main cooking starts here. We have to bonify the chicken for at least 5 minutes. Nicely fry the chicken so all the masala, flavor, everything gets absorbed into the chicken. चिकन को अच्छे से भुनना है, यहाँ पे अच्छे से भुनना है. ओके, एंड इंश्योर करना है कि ये पैन के बॉटम पे चिपक नहीं रहा है. इट शुड नॉट बर्न. अगर आपका स्टॉक खत्म हो गया है, देन यू ऐड वाटर टू इट. लिटिल वाटर यू ऐड. Look at that. Wow. My mouth was watering all the time when I was making it. Very delicious. So for 5 minutes you have to saute this pretty well. So if you can see in the video, I saute it for some time, then I add water. Okay. Again I've added some stock, some oil over here again. Another tablespoon of oil. So in total I have used in this recipe 1/4 cup and 3 tablespoon oil I have used. You can hear the sizzling sound of the masala. The color looked dark because of this pan, because it's an iron pan and we are making all this masala in this pan. So those who use iron pan, they must be knowing about it. So let's saute this masala very well. Juice of half lemon. You have to saute this very well. आपको कच्चा टेस्ट आएगा मसाले का, तो अच्छा भूनो इसे. Another half teaspoon I'm adding. Okay. I'm adding another 1 tablespoon oil. Dhaba style chicken. So the masala also is cooked well. Now we are going to add all these greens. I've taken 2 cups dill and I've taken 2 cups methi, FENUGREEK. Mix this. Yeah, let the gas be fast. You can see it is, if you see here, it's drying up real fast. So I'm going to add the stock here, because I simply don't want my masalas to get burnt. If the masalas get burnt, then this particular dish will have only the burnt taste of the masala. Slowly mix up all these vegetables. They cook fast and they'll mix up superbly in this masala. I'm adding up this remaining stock also. For 5 minutes we'll give this good dum and I'll get back to you. Alright friends, let's check. Cannot tell you the aroma over here. The aroma is just fantastic. Just look at that. Fantastic aroma. Our Dhaba style Methi Dill chicken is ready. Ready, serve it with naan, rice, fulkas, the way you like. I'll quickly remove this from the iron vessel because you should never keep your food in the iron vessel after cooking. So let's quickly transfer this into another vessel here. Okay. And look at that. Wow. मेहनत सफल हुई. It's really looking very nice. It's a very superb recipe, and definitely you must make this recipe and let me know in the comment box how you have found it. And please do share my recipes with your friends and families. So if you have liked my recipe, please don't forget to give a like. Don't forget to share. And please don't forget to press that bell icon. I hope you will definitely make this recipe. And do leave your comments in the comments box. I've garnished this with little spring onions, some sliced chilies. This is optional. Alright friends, I will see you soon then. Take care. Bye-bye. Be safe. Hello friends, sneak peek into my next recipe. No cream, dhaba style, palak paneer aloo. What you see cream is just for garnish I have added. You will see this recipe very soon on my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.